Vivo V7 smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1440 pixels. Vivo V7 price in India starts from Rs. 15,599. The Vivo V7 is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Vivo V7 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 24-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Vivo V7 runs Android 7.1.2 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 149.30 by 72.80 by 7.90, height x width x thickness, and weigh 139.00 grams. The Vivo V7 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.